Welcome back to Steel City Drones. I'm Dave King, and I am very excited because it's a special day here at Steel City Drones. We have been working on a brand new custom product that we're bringing to market, and it is finally here. And that is this beautiful 21-inch monitor station. And for those of you that are familiar with our company, our channel, and our product line, we have had the 13-inch as well as a 32-inch available for sale for quite some time. And we take these out on demos, trainings, you name it. We're always using these things. A lot of people have purchased these things. They have been very popular for us. But along the way, we get, the feedback that we get from customers is, I love the 13-inch. Do you have anything a little bigger? And because the 32-inch are heavy, they're bulky, it's over 80 pounds, and they are more expensive. So we have tried to really do the best balance act that we can make the best monitor for the most affordable price. And I think that's what we've been able to achieve with this new monitor. When Morgan came on board with me, one of the first things I asked him is, find me the ultimate monitor that we can have. And so this is the 21-inch that you see right here. It is anti-glare. As you can see, there's no reflections on here. And this is 2,500 nits of brightness. And when you're comparing apples to apples, please make sure that when you're considering something else, make sure that you're seeing it from outdoors and the harshest sunlight like we are right now. This is June. This is the harshest sun, the highest sun angles right now. And most of our competitors that sell these will not show it to you from the outside in the sunny conditions because they know you can't see them. They're not bright enough without extra shading. And they will always show you product shots of it inside when it actually will look nice. But no one's flying inside. We're flying outside in all conditions, especially in the harshest sunny weather. And that's why we spec these out. Very few people in the world make or are willing to manufacture ultra bright monitors like this. And that's what we have here made to our specs. So we're extremely happy. The other really important part about these new monitor stations that you're absolutely going to love is it has an internal power supply that can power this up without a power source for over 11 hours. You also can hook this up to AC power right here in the back if you need to go for longer periods of time. But this is unheard of. Our older power supplies right here inside the 13, this would power this up for about 6 to 7 hours, where this is giving us 11. This is made of the highest quality construction so that it can take the most abuse. For people that use this day to day, throwing this in the back of their truck or your pickup or something that, constantly in and out and back and forth out of your vehicles, you're using it a lot, it has to be able to withstand that abuse. So we have carbon fiber on the inside and we have carbon fiber on the outside reinforced here so that it's the lightest possible and it's the strongest possible. But inside this, in the shell here, we frame it and we take the extra steps to be able to make it very heavy duty that it can withstand a lot of abuse and a lot of use. And that's what our other ones have as well, and we did not change that to this new monitor. So again, you can see we are in the ultra harshest sunlight possible, and we're able to see our monitors in our app, the flight apps, with no problems at all. And as you go back further away, you still see them. You don't have to be up close to them. So I will go ahead and rate these with anybody. Nobody is going to make a better monitor, a brighter monitor, period, than what Steel City Drones has. And I will also take the challenge that we have the most durable cases possible. So with the pricing, our 13s were priced at $2,700, right? And our current 32s are currently priced at $6,000. The 21-inch are going to be selling here for $2,300. That is the least expensive possible that we can do. And when you're, again, comparing apples to apples, brightness, quality of construction, you're not going to find a better deal. And we have our first lot now being made up, our first batch of 10. We're going to be doing these in batches of 10. And we're anticipating that our first batch will be done in about 4 to 6 weeks. And if you're interested in getting on the first run of these, give us a call. And for a small down payment, you can get on the list right here to be able to order this case. Now, this is not water resistant, as you can see. It's not so you can't actually use this in hard rain, but it is a waterproof case. So I would not fly this in a lot of rain. It's, again, this is not IP rated or anything. But again, you can see that the anti-glare is absolutely perfect. There is no glare from the sunlight that as we're doing this at all. Zero. So again, weight is 38 pounds, and this is light enough and portable enough to travel with you and put it in any size vehicle. So we were trying to take every consideration for a drone operator that they might run into as possible. We also have additional charging here for USB-A and USB-C for like your phone or remote controller, small accessories. This is not going to be able to power up or charge any aircraft batteries, but we still have this. This also has a very nice display that shows you how much is remaining on the charge. So there's no question of when it's going to go out. You'll know exactly when it's getting down and getting low in charge. And this has a much expanded opening port for cables and accessories that you can keep right inside here. So again, I am really happy with this. Morgan did a great job helping me with this, and we're making the best products that we can for our customers because we know what they need. So if you have any questions, let us know. Put them down in the comment section below. Give us a call. We'll be glad to help you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.